Alright, so hey guys, today we're going to be doing a full set. These tips that I got are from the Studio Nail Supply. They're located in Margate, Florida, and they also have a website. So I'll link that down in the description box below. I'll actually link all of the products that I use down in the description box. The glue that I'm using is the KDS glue. I got it from Amazon. I'm sorry if this is moving really fast, but YouTube won't allow me to have a video longer than 15 seconds. So if you guys want a more in-depth video of anything that I'm doing in this video, let me know. So I'm cutting the tips, and I think I'm gonna get ready to file the tips. The file that I'm using is the Valentino file. I think these go for about $1.50. I think you can buy them on Amazon, and they should be at most local nail supply stores. I know the one that I got it from, it was like $1 something, or maybe $2. And these are great nail files. I love using these because it doesn't take a lot of work. So I had 2 stiletto nails, and I had 3 coffin shaped nails. Coffin is the hardest shape to do. Well, for me at least, it's the hardest shape to do. And while I was actually filing the nails, one of the tips fell off. So later on in the video, you're gonna see me glue a tip back on and then try to shape it back again. And I'm sorry that this video is moving really fast, but thank you YouTube. So now I'm just going in with my drill. This drill is from Mia Secret, and I'm just drilling from where the nail starts, from where the nail bed ends to where the nail tip starts. My dehydrator and my primer are from Meffa. I got them on Amazon. And then my monomer that I'm using is from Mia Secret. These powders are from Valentino Beauty Pure. The yellow one is a glow-in-the-dark powder. I really like that. If you guys want me to do a more in-depth video, just let me know, because I know this is moving pretty fast. So yeah, now I'm ombreing everything. I know it's moving fast, I'm so sorry. I use the 3-ball method, the 3-bead method when I'm doing nails. If you guys want me to do a video on that, I definitely will. But yes, I don't know if it's just me, but when I try to ombre with certain colors, the cover color does not completely cover the actual color, and it's really hard to ombre. But I fixed it, so it's whatever. Okay, so when I marble, I just have to work really fast, and I have to work with really wet beads. There's not really a method to marbling. You just have to be random and don't make it too uniform, or else it won't really look marbled. What else? Yeah, and if there's any like parts in the nail that don't look like they're filled up with acrylic, don't really worry about it. If you can actually see through the nail, then just add in some acrylic. But if not, then it doesn't really matter, because you're going to encapsulate them anyways. Now I'm going in with my drill, and I'm just making sure everything is flat before I actually encapsulate the nails. I don't know if I said it already, but this drill is from Mia Secret. It runs for about $175 to $200. It's a really good drill though. It's really quiet. It doesn't really vibrate. I know I hated that with the first drill that I got from Amazon. And then what I'm using to encapsulate the nail is just this acrylic powder, this clear acrylic powder from Mia Secret. I love this one over all the clear powders that I use. This one has been the best one. It just goes on really smooth like butter. And yeah, most clear nails that you see with anything into them, from like butterflies or any design in them, or even marble ones, when people encapsulate nails, it's just clear powder that they're putting right on top of the nails. Well, clear acrylic, sorry. But yes, the next thing I'm doing is I'm cleaning up around the cuticle with my drill. This drill bit that I'm using is from the studio. I will find the name of it and just either put it in the description box or put it into the video. And then I'm buffing the nails and making sure that I like the shape and everything. Now I'm picking out rhinestones to put onto the nails. These are Swarovski. I believe that they're from either Joann's or Michael's. My rhinestone picker is from the Studio Nail Art Supply. They're located in Margate, Florida. And I'll put their website in the description box. But the actual rhinestone picker is from D&D. My top coat is from Valentino. It's a really great top coat. It doesn't yellow. The rhinestone adhesive that I got is from Valentino, and it works really, really nicely. Nothing ever falls off when I use it. Right now I'm just putting cuticle oil onto the nails. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.